风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi there, I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song on ICRT. The music of Huang Zhenxing, who sings in his Dapu dialect, and a song called That Spring at the old traditional Hakka house. It's a story about grandparents waiting for their children and their grandchildren, all the generations, to come back to the house and reunite here to play around and share all the laughter, and always look forward to the return of their children. Let's take a listen to this song called 老火房该春天 That Spring at the old traditional Hakka house.
太阳一天日头出來咧，可把全界天空看到咧，阿達笑咧，阿妹笑咧，北公笑咧，姨婆笑咧。林南布也太沙迄困咧，木下肚闹黏黏咧，阿爸笑咧，阿妹笑咧，小公笑咧，小妹笑咧，三萬邊阿公阿妹唔見咧。老人家就昂昂電，跳叫叫咧。老火房，阿無人冇無人吵，空空空空，點點親親。老火房，阿風土在日頭林，叫叫叫叫，冷冷清清。
这首非常有味道的歌曲叫做《老火房该春天》，是由客家歌手黄振兴所创作的歌曲，唱出祖孙三代团聚在火房内的和乐之情。但随着时光流逝孙子们接连离去，只剩下长辈们留在冷清的老火房，只能追忆着那年春天飘荡在火房的热闹笑声。听了真的特别很有感触，有没有？I hope you enjoyed this song about reminiscing those good times together with your family. It's called 老火房该春天 that old traditional Hakka house. Hope you like it. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.